guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I am a wife and first time mom to a beautiful baby girl, and today we're going to be doing a new house decorate with me. This is a series that I've been doing on my channel. We just moved into this house and there's a ton to do, a ton of empty spaces to decorate, and my dining table is one of them. I mean, not my dining table, what am I saying? My dining room is one of them. There's an empty wall in there that I was just dying to put a buffet cabinet in, and so that is what we're doing today. I did get this buffet cabinet, this antique buffet cabinet, off of Facebook Marketplace, and basically the reason why I decided to DIY this project is because the buffet cabinet that I wanted was also this very style antique white black hardware, but it was so expensive, guys, and for such a small size, because this is about 40 inches and so was the one that I originally wanted that was brand new. It was like over $300, and you guys know me that I don't like splurging on small pieces of furniture that are not big, like the couch or your master bedroom bed, anything like that I will splurge on, but little things like this, console tables, all that stuff, I love to save money. So I went ahead and got this on Facebook Marketplace for a super cheap price. It did have some chips, which I did not notice from the photos, and then I went to go pick this up in the nighttime, so don't do that. But I noticed that after I got home, but I just went ahead, filled it in with some dry deck, sanded it down, and painted it, and it turned out just fine. Again, this is temporary. I love the way it turned out, and I can definitely live with this for a long time, but this is temporary until one day, hopefully, I could get the one that I actually want. And guys, also forgive me for my hair. I know you could see the parts in it in a lot of this video when I'm painting, and that is because my daughter was sick on this day. She was sick this whole week, and I was just trying to get this painted so on the weekend it could be dry and I could decorate it. So I was just crazy mom hair all day. I didn't get to brush it, and it's really bothering me looking at the parts on camera. But you guys, listen, I ranted to you guys. I let you guys in my life so you guys can see me with no makeup, my hair messed up. You guys are family now. Consider yourself family. But yeah, so all I did was sanded this down enough to get the shine off of it, and then I went ahead and painted it with a chalk paint. As you can see, I started off with a roller, but then I switched over to the brush because I was going for a more streaky look, farmhouse antique type of style. You guys know I've been doing a mixture, clean lines and then antique furniture as well in my living room. Most of the things are nice and clean, but then my coffee table is like this real antique and character piece, and that's what I wanted to do in my dining room. The dining table and the chairs are nice, clean lines, still farmhouse, but not really distressed farmhouse. So I thought that for the buffet cabinet I would go a little more distressed and antique looking to kind of tie everything in together. So that is what I did. This project was super easy and affordable. Again, I got this for like $30, you guys. It was so cheap, and I already had the black spray paint for the hardware, so shout out to you guys because you guys voted for the black, and that was a penny saver for me because I didn't have to go out and buy the gold spray paint. But I already had the black spray paint for the hardware. All I needed to buy was the chalk paint, and then of course like the brush and the plastic cover that I have on the bottom. But all that came out to a very little amount of money. I'll link everything down below in case you guys are interested in doing something like this. But anyways, it was super easy, and I'm ranting now, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy me painting, but stick around for the decorating, you guys, because I'm so in love with the way it turned out. I got this Anthropology dupe mirror from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to style it with some of the things that I got from the Target dollar spot, as well as mixing in some of my old decor. You guys know I love to shop my house, but anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and just enjoy the transformation of this antique buffet cabinet, and then I'll catch up with you guys when we're decorating.
Played my part, I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Oh, 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 oh. up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. Things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. Guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I've been alone for what seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you. But tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. I fade away, every day you're not with me. Maybe now that you've showed me what love could be like, what can I say? I know it sounds like I'm crazy.
Alright, you guys, while the first coat was drying, I went ahead and spray painted the hardware with a black matte spray paint from the Rust-Oleum brand. I also did this on my console table on the vase. And then with the chalk paint, this specific brand took 3 coats, but I didn't want to record all of that because it would just be boring. So I went ahead and did a little YouTube magic, and now I'm putting the hardware back after it finished drying. And this is now the weekend where I'm gonna decorate it, so we're about to get right into that. I'm so excited. But guys, if you're wondering why I did this all indoors, it is because in New York all week, actually all month, it's been either raining or snowing or like 10 degrees. So I was not trying to do this in 10-degree weather outside, so that's why I did it inside. But I would much rather do it outside. If it was summertime, I would have done it outside.
With a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you.
My husband went ahead and screwed in the doors back for me because it was too complicated for me to do. And here is now the finished product. We are about to start decorating it. And the first thing we're gonna do is put this Anthropologie dupe mirror that I got from Hobby Lobby. You guys, this mirror is beautiful. You know, the Anthropologie mirrors are like $800, and Hobby Lobby had this one for $300, and then they had half off because it was part of the spring collection. I do have it linked in the description, but they no longer have it online, you guys, and I had to run to get this in store. So I would just call your store, give them the SKU number, and see if they have it. And now we're gonna go ahead and decorate the buffet cabinet, and everything that I put on it, you guys, was literally like $5 or less. Most of it was from the Target dollar spot. This kitchen towel is from the Hearth and Hand Magnolia collection. It was $5.99, and that little bin that I found at the Target dollar spot was $5. It was yeah, I think it was $5, and it is so beautiful. It's like this galvanized metal, and I love it. And I went ahead and put my bananas and apples in there. I wanted to make it like a classy buffet cabinet, and as well as a functional one, because we currently don't have anywhere to put our fruits. I would just keep it on the counter, so I thought, why not on the buffet cabinet? This tier stand I also found at the Target dollar spot, and it was $5. And all the little ceramic things that I am going to be putting on it is not from the Target dollar spot, but they were from Target and $5 and under.
Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste.
Alright, you guys, so you know I had to add my candle holders. I did try 2 different types, these pillar ones and then some taper ones that I had in the house, but I did end up staying with these beautiful wooden beaded ones, and I got them from Home Goods a while back, and I could not find a link for them, but I am attaching a link to something almost exactly the same from Amazon. You guys have to let me know what you think of everything, and if you like the golden candlesticks better. But after this, I'm just going to be showing you guys some end shots, and that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching until now. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and give that thumbs up button a hit, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you guys would join the family. I love you guys. I'll see you in next week's video for a complete disaster clean with me, because doing this project left my house, the rest of my house, a wreck. I love you guys. Bye.
We can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. I hope that we can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me.